If you've been injured due to the use of a product, you may have a product liability case. Our firm has extensive experience in product liability cases, and these are difficult cases. Typically, we see product liability cases involve either a failure to warn somebody about the dangers associated with the product, a manufacturing defect, meaning the product was defectively made during the manufacturing process, or going back, there was a design defect, meaning from the beginning, from its inception, it was designed in a dangerous way. And sometimes it involves all three of these theories of negligence. In product liability cases in New York, there are several parties that could be potentially responsible. Number one, of course, is the product manufacturer. Going down the line, you may even be able to hold responsible the product distributor or even the store that you bought it at. So there could be multiple entities or multiple insurance layers available, which is why you really need a product liability law firm like ours who knows how to unravel the different theories of negligence, who knows how to discover the different insurance policies to fight to get you the maximum compensation that you deserve.